Meet Fred. He is standing at the very top of a massive snow-covered mountain, carefully holding a tiny snowball in his hands. Today, we are exploring the single most powerful force in the entire financial universe. This is the concept that separates those who struggle with money from those who build generational wealth effortlessly. Today, we are breaking down the absolute magic of compound interest. Albert Einstein famously called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. He said that those who understand it earn it, and those who do not understand it will always pay it. Let us look at Fred's snowball. He gently rolls it down the mountain. At first, it barely grows. It only picks up a few tiny flakes of snow as it inches forward. If you were watching, you might think it is a complete waste of time. But as it continues to roll, something truly magical begins to happen to its mass. The snowball accumulates a new layer of snow. Then that new, larger surface area starts picking up even more snow at an accelerated rate. The snow is literally building upon itself. This is exactly how compound interest works with your money. It is the simple process of earning interest on your previously earned interest. Simple interest is like earning the exact same flat amount every single year. It is linear and completely boring. But compound interest is entirely different. It is like your money making babies, and then those babies growing up to make even more babies. Over time, you create a massive, unstoppable army of dollars working for you. The absolute most important ingredient in this magical mathematical formula is not the amount of money you start with. It is simply time. Time is the mountain. The longer the snowball rolls down the hill, the more violently it grows. This is why starting early will always beat starting late, regardless of the initial capital. Let us look at a practical example with two friends. Fred starts investing just $100 a month at age 20. His friend waits until age 40 to start, but decides to invest a massive $500 every single month to catch up. The friend is deploying 5 times as much capital into the market. Despite investing significantly less money out of his own pocket, Fred will actually have a larger portfolio by the time they both turn 60. The math is brutal and beautiful. Fred gave his snowball 2 extra decades to roll down the hill. His friend's larger snowball simply ran out of mountain before it could truly compound. You do not need to be a Wall Street genius to get incredibly rich. You just need to understand the mountain. Look at Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest and most successful investors in human history. His primary secret to building a multi-billion-dollar empire is incredibly simple and surprisingly boring to most people. Warren Buffett made over 90% of his massive fortune after his 65th birthday. He did not chase quick, risky schemes or day trade trendy stocks. He just started rolling his snowball when he was only 11 years old, and he never interrupted the process. He let the math do the heavy lifting over 8 decades. Our human brains are simply not wired to understand exponential growth naturally. We think linearly by default. We expect 1 + 1 to always equal 2. But compound interest makes 1 + 1 = 10 over a long enough timeline. This mental blind spot is exactly why so many people quit investing too early in the journey. This is exactly why the first $100,000 is famously the hardest milestone to reach. The snowball is still relatively small. It feels like you are pushing it uphill instead of letting gravity do the work. The daily fluctuations of the market can easily wipe out your tiny interest gains, which is deeply frustrating. But once you cross that crucial threshold, the momentum dramatically shifts. Your money starts earning more in a single year than you could possibly save from your actual working salary. The snowball takes completely over, and gravity becomes your best friend. Your wealth begins to expand without any extra physical effort from you. So, how do you start rolling your own snowball today? First, you need to open a proper investment account. You cannot compound money efficiently in a standard bank checking account that pays 0 interest. Inflation will actually melt your snowball if you leave your money sitting idle under the mattress or in a basic savings account. For most beginner investors, the safest and most effective vehicle is a broad market index fund. It automatically invests your money into the top companies in the world. You own a tiny piece of their global profits. They do all the hard work. They innovate and they grow, while you just sit back and watch the snowball roll. Second, you must aggressively automate your investments. Set it up so a small amount leaves your bank account the exact day you get paid. Pay your investment account before you pay your landlord or your streaming subscriptions. You will never miss the money, and this guarantees your snowball never stops rolling down the hill. Third, you have to protect the snowball from your worst enemy, which is yourself. When the stock market inevitably drops and the news panics, average people sell their assets in fear. Interrupting the compounding process is the biggest financial mistake you can ever make. Never touch the snowball while it is rolling. Every single day you wait to start investing is a day of lost exponential growth. If you wait until you are earning more money to start, you are throwing away your most valuable and irreplaceable asset, which is time. You can always earn more fiat currency, but you can never, ever buy back a lost decade of compounding interest. You do not need thousands of dollars to begin this journey. Even $50 a month will eventually grow into a massive sum if you give it enough time to breathe. The habit of investing is far more important than the initial amount. Building the discipline to save and invest is the absolute foundation of sovereign wealth. Make sure your dividends are automatically reinvested. When these large companies pay you a share of their quarterly profits, use that exact cash to immediately buy more shares. Do not spend it on coffee or clothes. This strategy adds heavy, dense layers of snow to your ball instantly, accelerating the entire process massively. Wealth is not about working physically harder or getting a lucky break in life. It is about extreme patience and mathematical certainty. Fred smiles proudly as his snowball finally reaches the bottom of the mountain. What started as a tiny handful of snow is now the size of a giant, completely unstoppable boulder. You have the exact same power at your fingertips right now. Start small, stay remarkably consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting for you. You are not just saving money. You are building an unstoppable financial fortress for your family. The math is absolutely guaranteed to work if you simply respect the rules of the game. If this metaphor helped you finally grasp the magic of compound interest, please hit the like button. It greatly helps the algorithm push this positive financial education to other beginners who desperately need to understand this concept. Subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so you never miss a lesson in financial literacy. Leave a comment below telling us what age you started rolling your own snowball. We love reading your stories. Stay patient, stay consistent,